Good afternoon, Ms. Chandrika. Congratulations on your win. What does this recognition mean for your organization?
This recognition means a lot for me, for my organization, because we have been nominated in the category of women-led organization, and I'm very glad to know that my women. I've been always been very vocal about women empowerment. In fact, when we started diversity in 2018, it was something that was, we didn't know it as diversity at that point of time. So I just happened to give a colleague a chance to come back from a career break, and today she is a leader, in one of the verticals of my company, and she's doing very well for herself. So, and I'm very proud of that. In fact, right now, and in this, we are a very small organization of 32 people, and there are the majority, almost 80% of the work staff is women. So feels good to be empowering women, and making them, powerful and strong, and good enough to face all obstacles and come up to living their life to the fullest.
You mentioned women-led startups. So, how do you see gender inclusivity as a concept in the MSME sector, and how do you see government working towards it?
Gender inclusivity has always been there. Women have been empowered from time, beginning, and but then over a period of time, women have done very well, and these so-called taboos that we talk about, that there is gender discrimination, they have kind of melted away. So women are become more powerful. They are in almost all the sectors now, and there's no turning back for them. There's no looking back. They are doing very well for them.
Can you please throw some light on the outlook of your company for the year 2025?
In 2025, although, see, we are already into women diversity, because we have carved a niche for ourselves in this segment. Going forward, we have formed a company which will be focusing on DEI recruitment, and also DEI training and workshops and sensitization workshops that we'll be conducting. This will be we'll be doing in hand in hand with our existing clients into recruitment, and also we'll be approaching. We have approached a lot of universities and MSMEs also. So this is something which will be doing majorly in 2025.
One last question. Any advice for the young women who are planning on to join the industry?
Believe in yourself, because whatever challenges that you think they once you go out and start working, they will just cease to be there, and you will do, and then you will have this, you'll get this sense of power, which will propel you ahead in your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking. Thank you.